Alternative low-emission gasoline is a cutting-edge fuel that can replace standard fuels in almost all types of vehicles with gasoline engines, including hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and traditional vehicles. It can be distributed using the existing network, and its use does not entail additional costs such as engine modification or the purchase of a new vehicle. This allows drivers to significantly reduce the environmental impact of their driving without changing their habits or installing additional devices at home. Toyota and Chevron are collaborating on a new type of low-emission gasoline that emits over 40% less CO2 over its life cycle than traditional gasoline derived from crude oil. This fuel is compatible with almost all existing gasoline vehicles, enabling drivers to immediately reduce their vehicle's emissions without any changes to the drive system or the need to replace their car with a new model. The collaboration between Toyota and Chevron began in 2021, initially focusing on hydrogen technologies. Toyota joined the project to create low-emission gasoline at the laboratory research stage to ensure its compatibility with traditional gasoline engines and hybrid systems. In the spring of 2023, the first road tests were conducted with the hybrid Toyota Camry RAV4 Prime with plug-in hybrid drive and the off-road pickup Toyota Tundra. These vehicles were filled with Chevron's low-emission gasoline and tested on public roads in Texas and Mississippi. The next step was the delivery of this groundbreaking fuel to Toyota's logistics center in Portland in April 2024. The low-emission gasoline was used to fill the tanks of new cars before they were shipped to dealers, confirming the high quality of the product. Every day, 450 vehicles are sent from the center, which then reach customers in various regions of the United States. The weight of the challenge posed by climate change means that Toyota is ready to collaborate more intensively with other industries. The mass use of Chevron's low-emission gasoline will allow for a real reduction of CO2 emissions in all gasoline engine cars, said McCarthy, manager of energy, fuels, and sustainable development at Toyota Motor North America. The new low-emission gasoline is produced using renewable resources, resulting in a 40% reduction in CO2 emissions over the entire life cycle of the product compared to conventional gasoline. More than half of its composition is biofuel produced from crops and agricultural waste. Extensive cooperation with the agricultural sector will contribute to the faster introduction of this fuel for widespread use and strengthen the position of agriculture in the economy. The popularization of renewable fuels will enable a reduction in transport emissions using the existing refueling infrastructure without the need to exchange vehicles for models with alternative drives. In the United States alone, over 265 million cars are powered by gasoline, constituting over 95% of the entire car fleet in the country. The average personal car is 12 years old and remains in operation for nearly 20 years. This means that new cars currently sold will serve for decades. Thanks to new biofuel technologies, it will be possible to limit the emission of greenhouse gases in all combustion vehicles, both new and used. The collaboration with Chevron in developing this new fuel with a low CO2 emission balance is another testament to Toyota's comprehensive approach to achieving carbon neutrality by 2050. The company is committed to offering a variety of affordable and practical solutions. Therefore, Toyota is conducting parallel research on the development of all low and zero-emission technologies, from electric drives, hybrids, and plug-in hybrids, to hydrogen fuel cell drives, hydrogen combustion engines, and low-emission synthetic fuels and biofuels. This aligns with the Toyota Environmental Challenge 2050 strategy, under which the company has committed to achieving climate neutrality by 2050.